Hey, what's going on, Tribe Watchers? Today is August the 22nd, 2021. Man, I need to talk about Netflix today. So this video is going to be about Netflix. We're going to see whether or not this particular market is going to continue to go high in price. As the market, you guys can see Netflix has underperformed, right, against our price prediction. We want to know, is it still a buy? We want to know if the price in Netflix is going to continue to go higher in price. It's simple. So hit me up, join our team, join our community, because we're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Netflix without being confused. Now you join by hitting the like button, sharing the video, subscribing to the channel, and then leaving us a comment as to where you think the price in Netflix is going to go. All right, so let's do it. Now, I'm being fully transparent with every one of you, and you all can see that we did a price prediction in Netflix, right? On on April the 16th, we were predicting the price in Netflix to go higher. And take a look, it didn't even do it, right? Like I told you, the price in Netflix has underperformed. I mean, terribly. It's ridiculous as how the market has traded against our price prediction. Man, didn't like that at all, right? We was looking for the price in Netflix to break outside of this $560 price, and it came right back down instead. Hey, it happens. But take a look. From April to August, here we are. The market still came back literally to our break-even price. Now, what does that mean? It's simple. It tells us that there's still life in Netflix for us to see this price break out. Okay, so nothing has changed from our last price prediction in April to today. Nothing. The price continues. I'm gonna show it to you. Don't worry about it. The price continues to trade within this trading channel. That is still going on. The process in Netflix is still trading massively in this trading channel. So what are we getting? What in the world is this market trying to do? When you see, okay, let me hip you to this. When you see price trading in a trading channel, the market is preparing for another big move, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. It's going to break one of these two lines, right? So we need to see, okay, since we're anticipating the market to break downside, either upside, we have to be in position to win, right? So now we've been trading in this channel for Netflix, since July 2020, a whole year. This market in Netflix has just been bouncing in between $475 all the way up there to $560. All right, so let me clean up this chart first. Okay, since we are now breaking about our break-even point, let me go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, so if we were to get out, it'd be a 5% loss right there. Okay, now what do you think? Look at the price. What do you think the market in Netflix is trying to do? Do you think we have hit our top point? Do you think the market's going to break down? Let's look at the market price in Netflix on a 3-day time frame. Okay. Do you still think that there is enough energy while this price in Netflix has been trading in this trading channel for us to see a breakout? Right? Or do you think we need to increase our restriction point up here? You tell me. Let me know. But so far, looking at the last couple of 3-day price bars, yes, this strength is still intact. This market in Netflix still wants to go higher in price. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. This market in Netflix is trying to hit that 560 to even 575. That's where it's trying to go. You can see that on a 3-day time frame. Even here on the weekly, the market here in Netflix is trying to go places, and right now it's trying to go higher, right? What about on a 3 weeks time frame? Even on a 3 weeks basis, the chart looks even better. The market in Netflix looks extremely strong for us to at least see the market hit that 560, at least, maybe 575. But for us to see the price in Nflx give this price action on a 3-weekly time frame is massively important, and it's good to see. Okay, the information is already here on a chart for us to digest, and if you're able to digest it accurately, you can actually already be in position and win against your opponent, which is the trap. He doesn't want us to win. He wants to take our money, and we want to take his money. This is how the market works. You have to be willing to take advantage of your opponent in order for you to win. Everyone can't win. Okay, so you have to be prepared and understand that you are taking someone else's position. And if you're not down with that, you should not be in the markets. Everyone can't win in the market. For every winner, someone is losing, right? So I'm looking for the price in Nflx to actually go higher. Okay, I like the 3-week time frame. The 5-week time frame, even though we got 12 days left, is still showing how this market in Nflx is trying to go places, and it might even make all-time highs past the high that came in on this 5-week price bar, which started January the 4th, 2021. The market came all the way up to $593.29, right? So for the one who bought the market in Nflx at $593.29, just hold on, because the market will meet you to where you bought your shares. All right, so now let me run the play. Okay, so just like we did in April, I mean, the strength is still here into the market in Nflx. This is one reason why using technical indicators doesn't always work, because when you have a market in Nflx, especially on a daily time frame that just trades sideways, technical indicators don't give you too much information because it's not moving. Technical indicators need to see volatility, needs to see a trend, needs to see the market go somewhere, and not just trade sideways. But we can still see where the market's trying to go when you understand language analysis. So we're going to continue to place strength in the market in Nflx. All right. Now, support is still here. Okay, around $520. Okay, give or take. You can see that the market was hugging down here around 505. Are you cool with that? Now, I'm going to keep it around 520 though. Okay. So I'm already here to tell you that 560, we need to be prepared to take some money off the table there, because the market got rejected a couple of times at that price level. That will give us 2.5%. Not much, right? But I'm also seeing how the price in Nflx can try to top out around 570, 575. So we could ride that out too. Okay, we can see that come to fruition as well. So this is the play. We're still expecting the market strength to come through into the market in Nflx, and so far, you know, from a 3-weekly time frame, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Nflx make all-time highs again. Right now, nobody's talking about that, but I want to put that on your radar, that over the next 3 weeks, it's possible that the market in Nflx could make all-time highs. I'm getting it from the 3 weeks time frame, but we first have to accomplish breakage above 560 and then 575 first. So just keep that in the back of your mind right now, because we first need to achieve breaking 560, 575 first. So now that's it. Simple, easy to see, easy to understand. Let me zoom in so you all can see what we are expecting the price to do in Nflx. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you all think about Nflx price. Where do you think the market's going to go in the next 3 weeks? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.